Hey everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing of some new stuff I got today. Like I had mentioned in yesterday's video, I don't really like new stuff all that much. But there are some cars in here that I actually do like that are new. And that's why I purchased them. So let me get this open for you guys. Alright. Let's see if I can get this off. Might be a way to... Seems like I'll need a scissor for this. So let me get that scissor. I'll open it like that. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Let me show you guys what I got here. So this is the first car. This is the Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint. 1966. Let me get this open. Oh, it's nice. Look at this. I really like that a lot. It's a really nice vehicle. Then we have the BMW 507. Let me get that one open. Another nice vehicle. This is the regular. There is a super version, but this, of course, is not the super. And then finally, we have the Alfa Romeo GTV6 3. Get that one out. This one's nicer than last year's GTV6. Okay, guys, so that's it for my unboxing of these three cars from 2024. Thank you and have a good day.